Hey folks, today I'm going to be making another blacksmithing tool. I have 6 pieces of steel cut out. One's a little bit wonky. I did them from one of the S-hooks that I got from an estate sale a while back. But what I want to do is make a bending jig. So I'm going to have 2 uprights and 1 below. I'm going to weld them together so I can stick them in the vise and then put thin pieces of metal through and then bend them. So something like that, which means I need to cut out this shape out of the bottom of these. I'm going to do that using a diamond hole saw bit on my drill press to get through that. And then I'll weld these together. This one here is a little wonky, needs to be straightened out, so I'm going to heat that up and straighten it out first before I put my next jig together, which is going to be a little wider than the other one, so I can get different widths here. But I've started about this one about 1/4 of an inch, I think. And that's going to be what I'm going to go with. So, let's get started. Got my cheapo set of diamond hole saw bits. That looks to be about the right size. And yes, it is. So I'll use that to come down halfway through this to round the edge out so that it can be mounted and welded to this piece. Oh my god, that is all oil. Now this thing ain't gonna rust anytime soon. Okay, now that we have those cut down to size, see we have them here. They're rough profile. I have this here, which I cleaned all these up on the grinder. What I want to do is have these about here with this much room in between, because I want to bend this width of steel. I want those to be perpendicular. Yeah, you're not anywhere. It's a very high-tech jig I'm making here. That looks pretty good. Oh, shoot. Measure again. Try not to hit the things as I'm moving through. There we go. Okay, so now I know where I need my first tacks on these. That's going to be right here and right here. They'll tack those into place, and then I can easily take care of the rest of it, and I have them lined up. So sweet. It's on there. That's welded together. Just get a couple more spots here. Like right where that is. Wire brush. Ooh, that's hot. Now it's still on here. There we go. There's the jig. Not pretty welds, but this will do exactly what I need it to. Then thin wire. Bending jig.